Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mattel Trades and I remain a name Matthew. So today I'll be doing an analysis of the market outlook for GBPUSD. Let us see what the market will be doing this week. So without wasting any much time, let's just get started. So the first thing I'll be doing is going to Fire Factory. Let us see what we have for the week. So today, Monday, which is September 9, we are really clear. Okay, we have nothing from the news, but tomorrow, which is Tuesday, 10th of September, we'll be having news on GBP for GBP USD. Sorry, for GBP, claimant count change. Then which is quite high, so which that will be released by 7 GMT plus 1. Then on Wednesday, so we are quite loaded on Wednesday. On GBP, Great Britain pound, we have GDP. Then we have core CPI for USD. So we have major news coming up. So if you're trading GBP USD, you should look out for the morning and afternoon session. That is for GMT plus 1. If you're in any of the country that uses GMT plus 1, you should be looking out for this pair, GBP USD, and any other pair that is tied to the USD. So now that we know what's up, so what do we have on Thursday? Oh, we also have the PPI for just USD on Thursday. Then on Friday, and also an unemployment claim on Friday. On Friday too is free. So literally we just have Monday and Friday free. So this means that we should be expecting a major move in the market from tomorrow, yeah, or probably Wednesday rather. Wednesday. So Wednesday and Thursday we will be expecting a major move in the market. Now jumping straight to the chart, you'd see that we are currently on the weekly time frame, and you see that GBP USD is currently bullish on the weekly time frame, right? And right here we've been having this smooth movement, having this high being broken, or first of all, before that we had this high being broken, then price came out again, we tested it and pushed up, then we had this other one broken and price went within that same region and tested it again and pushed up, and now we have this high broken. So what I'm just looking at is this, yeah, price is likely to retrace or continue on this trend when it gets to this level. Okay, it might get here and test it again and push higher, or it might just go deeper and come to this zone here, this supply zone right here, and then move up. So we're having two of these might likely happen. All right, either of these might likely happen. Either it just comes here, we test this level and pushes up, or it gets to this zone here and pushes just like what it did here. Okay, so that's my expectation on the weekly time frame, but we just have to note that for a day trader, I do not trade weekly or daily time frames. Okay, these time frames are just basically for me looking at the bigger picture, okay, to see what exactly the market is doing or where exactly the market is headed. Okay, At least with this, I know that GBPUSD is bearish. That is just one thing I'm certain of, because it hasn't even gotten to this level yet. It hasn't gotten to this level yet. So my anticipation is that it is either it gets here. Once it gets to this level, I should be expecting a reversal, a continuation signal. But if I do not get a continuation signal, then I will remain bearish on GBPUSD. Now, if we come to the daily time frame, now you see that this was on Friday. Then this candle formed on Sunday. Okay, that was the opening period for Asian session, right? Now that was when this candle was formed. Now, if you look, you see, if you watch closely, you see that liquidity was swept. Today's candle swept yesterday's liquidity, right? So you see, which gives every indication that yes, this candle is definitely going to keep pushing down. We already swept this yesterday's liquidity of the Asian session, then it started pushing down, and like we saw on the weekly time frame, we'll just be looking at price getting to this level, then react to it, then continue on the uptrend. All right, but if we do not get any, if I don't get any kind of confirmation for a reversal here at this level, then I'll likely be looking at more sales opportunity. Okay, I'll be looking for more sales opportunity. So that's basically it. Then since I'm done with this, I will start with my 4-hour time raise, my higher time frame. Right, this is where the major analysis begins. I do my analysis here and also do my analysis on the 15 minutes time frame. Then on the 1 minute time frame, I look for my entry. So that's basically it. Well, like I said earlier, I'll wait to see confirmation right within this level. If I do not see any reaction that indicates a continuation to the upside, then I'll remain bearish on GBPUSD for the week. And with the help of CPI coming up, it's likely going to push price to exactly where the big guys want the price to head to, right? So it is either, if price should react here, they know that it's going to be up, right? That is to say, if this doesn't get to this zone before Wednesday or before the big news release, then we should know that, then we should be expecting that if the news is being released or when the news is being released, price is going to come down here, kiss this. That is where we have that long wick, pick this, or even come down to sweep liquidity, then we move up to the outside, right? That is when we have something like this. Boom, the long spike, then boom, to the upside. We are likely going to have something like this when the news is being released. Sweep this liquidity down here, right? Hit this, grab liquidity, then push to the upside, all right? Or if price should get here before then, probably breaks it. If price breaks this level before news release, then definitely we'll be heading to this zone here, this demand zone. All right, so that's that about the outlook for GBPUSD for the week. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Leave a like and share this video to others and help me grow this channel. All right, till I come your way again in my next video. Trade safe if you're a trader. Peace.